Is there something missing from their life? Is there some understanding that they do not have? In this meditation, we use the heart center. Are you looking for just a general sense of relaxation or for something deeper? There's energy moving through them. You might feel a thrill moving up the back of your neck. Really nice sense of ease and flow through the body. You might call it happiness or bliss, and instead transfer your awareness to that sense of peace, which is going to be far more fulfilling. So you'll learn to depend more and more on that knowledge of who you are as a person and be able to rest within your own awareness more throughout the day. And we can end the exercise here. Thank you.